Medical device manufacturers are facing unprecedented challenges, from a rapidly evolving regulatory environment to the COVID crisis, simultaneously striving to deliver improved patient outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. With PTC's PLM and IoT solutions, manufacturers can build a digital thread that ensures closed-loop quality and end-to-end traceability, helping organizations accelerate innovation and reduce risk. To connect the medical digital thread, we'll look at the fictional company New Way Research and the app they built to locate, monitor, filter, and update connected field assets. Selecting the dialysis machine that is running in the Newton lab, we can filter and view general information about the asset and its data readings. With an already known temperature issue, we'll toggle the temperature alert to create a product issue within Windchill. Reviewing the asset's diagnostic information, we can filter the list of events we are most interested in. In this case, the asset has recorded several temperature alerts already, meaning the temperature of the blood circulating through the device is outside the normal operating range, which can cause harm to patients. The temperature alarms have also been disabled a few times, which can lead to an adverse event. This closed-loop connectivity between critical to quality events, controls, and real-time monitoring of device performance in the field provides real, tangible value to enterprises. To understand the context, the product issue report shows alerts reported by assets over the last month, which are triggered by exceeding a specific threshold. Opening an issue from our connected asset in Windchill, we can see links to the affected product and its association with other quality events, like this customer complaint related to low temperature alerts. From this issue, other quality events can be initiated and linked back to create a digital thread for quality, enabling real-time triage and resolution of quality issues. We can see which parts might be changing, represented by the orange triangle, with visibility into allocated requirements defined in Windchill RV&S. We see the asset's heater requirements changed with the associated affected parts. Reviewing the product changes, we can see all related issues and quality events, including multiple issues and complaints related to this dialysis machine. Looking at an existing complaint in progress, we see exactly where we are in the process and can drill into more detailed information. By utilizing the digital thread to close the quality loop, we can navigate to other related quality events, issues, and a related CAPA that was created to investigate, correct the problems, and prevent recurrence. With a plan that captures the corrective and preventive actions defined to address the issue, we can initiate change notices using Windchill's out-of-the-box change management best practices. First, the power supply must be updated to stop operators from incorrectly inserting a plug that causes the temperature issues the asset was reporting. Second, the software must be updated to reset the dialysis machine's alarm between patient treatments to reduce the risk of an adverse event. Having the Where Used report available allows us to determine what else may be impacted by these updates. Since changes will be made to the product, we must also understand any regulatory impact. By reviewing where the product is sold, in this case the US and Europe, we have visibility to the UDI information, DHF, and DMR for this product. With the changes reviewed and approved, we can deploy the updated version of the software to every dialysis machine in the field through Asset Advisor to contain issues, prevent multi-million-dollar recalls, and increase the safety and efficacy of the device while always focusing on improving patient outcomes. From the advent of an issue to deploying a fix, the Medical Digital Thread by PTC enables streamlined tracking and visibility, easy design for regulatory management, and reduced implementation risk. With PTC, accelerate time to market, close the quality loop, build products that maintain the highest standards for patient outcomes through the Medical Digital Thread.